Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another giveaway. If you've been subscribed to my channel or following me basically since the beginning of the year in January, I announced that I was going to be having giveaways a little bit more often. I ran 2 giveaways in January. I just mailed out the prize for my second giveaway and I am back with another giveaway. If you're interested in entering, everything, all the rules, all that will be listed down below, so make sure you check it out and make sure you're following it, because I noticed in my last giveaway that I had a bunch of entries. But only about half of them were actually qualifying entries, like those people actually followed all the rules, and I contacted a winner and got no response. So then I had to choose a second winner, and I just want to make sure that you guys are following all the rules, so make sure that you're really reading everything thoroughly. Again, everything will be listed down below. It is a Valentine's Day giveaway, but let me go ahead and show you what you can potentially win. So first off, I have this little bag. This is a Ipsy bag, I think from last year, that I'm just reusing from my collection. So someone will win this bag, and inside I've got a bunch of different products in here. I have from Space Case Cosmetics a blush in the shade It's Not Me, It's My Sign. So you'll receive this blush, which looks like this. It's just a nice neutral pink shade. You'll win that. You'll also win from Pure the Pillow Blend Silicone Blending Applicator. You have from Becca the Backlight Priming Filter. This is a really nice primer. I really like it, and hopefully whoever wins will enjoy it as much as I do. You'll also receive a travel size of the Benefit They're Real mascara, very popular. And then I also have from Charlotte Russe, it's the Make It Matte Lip Crayon in Code Basic. So it's kind of a like a deep, I don't know, like cranberry-ish shade, but it's kind of got some brown undertones in it. I feel that's what it looks like to me. And then I've also got just some samples in here, some Eco Beauty samples, VDL primer sample. I have a perfume sample from Azaro, it's Wanted Girl, and then I also have an E-Nature cleansing sample, so you can get your skin prepped and primed and ready for makeup or whatever you're gonna do. I also have from Kiss the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Illusion nails, and these are really pretty. They're medium length, so it's got different styles in here. Some of these have little gems on them. There's like glitter, and then there's like the satiny matte type one. It's really pretty, and these you don't need glue for. They have an adhesive, but I believe it does have glue inside as well if you want like extra stick. And then the last thing that you will receive is from Too Faced a full-size chocolate bar palette, because what could be more fitting? Valentine's Day, chocolate, pink, you know, all this, it just ties together so nicely. So you will receive this full-size brand new Too Faced chocolate bar palette. I have this palette. I love this palette. It's one of my most used palettes. It smells like chocolate. The colors are amazing. Here's just a little sampling of the colors inside. They're so nice. This one right here, Milk Chocolate, is beautiful. Salted Caramel, that is a beautiful transition shade. Champagne Truffle is a gorgeous highlighter. Just all the shades in here are so beautiful. I love this palette. One of my most used, most hit pan on. I love it. So that is everything that you'll receive, and I don't know, maybe I'll throw in some actual candy and chocolate for Valentine's Day. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. But once again, everything, all the rules will be listed down below, so please make sure that you're following them correctly. I don't want to have to disqualify you because you're not following them. I want everyone to have a chance, so please follow them and leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite type of food is. I really like Mexican food, That's my favorite. I love spice and heat and salsa and all that good stuff. I really like Mexican food. I'm a big fan of tacos, sopes, birria, pozole, just everything Mexican is my favorite. So let me know down below your favorite type of food and enter this giveaway, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.